BabyDoge has gone on a moon mission in the past 7 days, doing a 10x in just 1 week. What is this token that seems to be trending on every site? Why are people obsessed with it, and will it continue to rise in price? Welcome back to Crypto Trends, where we cover the latest crypto news to make you more money. If you want to stay up to date on the latest crypto news, subscribe to the channel where we are constantly making new videos. Okay, so BabyDoge's token price has jumped dramatically from 0.02 here to 0.20 at its peak, a full 10x. But that's not totally surprising, because if you've been on Twitter or Telegram or Reddit or Dex tools lately, you've probably seen some reference to BabyDoge. It's trending absolutely everywhere. I can't remember the last time I've seen a token do this before. I mean, look at this 24-hour volume on CoinMarketCap. It's insane. 56 million? For a meme coin with a fully diluted market cap of 460 million, that's massive. And it's constantly trending every day on CoinMarketCap here. There is just so much price action on this coin that it keeps trending across sites, which gets even more people to buy it and become holders. So what is BabyDoge? Is it just another dog meme coin, or is it something more? Well, when I first saw it, I thought it was just another generic dog token, until I looked at the site and its mission. And so let's take a look at the website. And literally, from the first thing you see on the site, you understand their mission. World's best community coin. So now you understand why it's trending everywhere. BabyDoge has prioritized their community above everything else, and then in return, BabyDoge holders are willing to support BabyDoge no matter what. Through mechanisms like giveaways, social channels, voice chats, they've made holders really care about the community, and these holders then go out and do all the necessary work to make the crypto coin grow, like promoting it and shilling it. He is hyper-deflationary with an integrated smart staking system built in to reward you, so more BabyDoge coins are automatically added to your wallet with each transaction. Simply love, pet, and watch your BabyDoge grow. Okay, I like that last part. But they're saying that they have this redistribution mechanism built in. So in here they actually describe it. 5% of each transaction is redistributed to token holders, so that gives people an incentive to hold it. They also have a lot of burns, which is huge. If you've ever been in the meme coin telegrams, people are constantly asking, when is the next burn? When is the next token burn? So we have burned 29% of the supply. That means out of the 5% of the redistribution, 29% will be redistributed to dead wallet. Coins are burned with every transaction. Okay, so that's big because it helps the price go up as the supply goes down and makes the holders happy. And finally, they have this charity part, which is massive. We have designated a charity wallet that receives redistributions that are used to support our charity partners. Okay, so on Twitter here, you see them reference the latest donation is $75,000 to this dog charity called Paws with Cause. So this is huge. The more they do this, the more the community feels like they're doing good by promoting it, plus external eyes get onto this coin. Will they work with even bigger charities in the future? Very likely. Finally, let's take a look at their social accounts. You will be shocked at what you see. I can't remember the last time I saw a Telegram this active, to be honest. They have 62,000 members in total here, and a lot of the times the number will be covered up just because so many people are typing in the chat. All you see is like these 3 people are typing, 4 people, whatever. There's constant posts in here along with voice chats that have over 120 people at each time, which is huge for building the community. Their Twitter is one of the best that I've seen. Look, I mean, there's constant posts every day. Whoever's running this is really on the ball all the time. This gets the community involved as they continue to receive updates and get content to like and retweet. And if you go back to their site, you get the full picture. I mean, look, they've covered every social channel possible here. Reddit, Facebook, Discord, Instagram. Their team is willing to do whatever it takes to build a great community, and it shows by the progress that they've made. So the big question, will BabyDoge continue to rise? Well, no one can be sure, to be honest, but looking at their recent price action, it seems like it'll keep going up. It went up a lot in the past week, then dropped a bit, and seems to be consolidating right here for its next leg up. But with just how much activity they have between marketing, their community posts, charity announcements, I see a great future ahead for BabyDoge. It's clear the team is very competent, especially at building an environment that people want to be a part of. And I'm excited to see what the next 2 months brings for BabyDoge during the summer. So that's it for today's episode. Do you hold BabyDoge? What's your opinion on it? I'd love to hear it in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this news and research. If you want to see more, subscribe to the channel to get alerted when breaking news comes out, and I'll see you in the next episode.